I just love entertaining. I just love making people happy. You know, the buzz of a busy restaurant, that's nothing better. Hi, my name is Guillaume Brahimi, chef and owner of Bistro Guillaume in Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. Food is my life. I come up from a family of very good eaters, so breakfast, lunch and dinner in my household was a very big part. Just to give you an idea, at breakfast we talk about what we're going to have for lunch, and at lunch we're talking what we're going to have for dinner. That was an everyday conversation. So I opened my first restaurant, I was 25, yeah, that's quite a few years ago. But I started working at the age of 14, so I left school at 14. You know, you asked me about what I did on the weekend. On the weekend we did a pop-up Bistro Guillaume at Caulfield for the races. We did 450 people, finished selling the dessert there, got in a car, went back to my bistro in a Crown Resort in Melbourne and did 250 people for dinner. The last plate I sang, I just said to myself, this is what full restaurant, full pop-up, lot of people happy, lot of great food coming out of the kitchen. I love it. We take cooking very seriously in France. French food are the foundation of 99% of the cooking. They are the foundation, roasting a chicken, roasting a piece of fish, the way we make the jus, the way we make the sauces, that's the foundation of French cuisine. I think Australia is getting better and better. That's Australia. You know, when Australia decides to do something, Australian people are pretty amazing. Think about the wine. 40 years ago, I don't think there was one wine in Australia, and now you got some Cabernet who are winning awards, you got some Chardonnay, you got some Pinot who are winning awards against the whole world. I've got no issue to bring a great Aussie wine to a wine tasting in France, and that's Australia. They've been making wine in France for 300 years. The teaching of my staff, I try to lead by example. What I say to my team, I say, you know what? Treat the people the way you want to be treated. It's pretty simple. People come in, they want to have a good time. All we have to do is deliver that. We bring happiness to the people. That's what we do.